Does colorectal cancer affect only males? Answer is no. It affects male and female equally. The most important thing is to do screening colonoscopy after 50 years and to do a yearly screening of a stool test for occult blood. Only people over 50 should be screened for a screening colonoscopy to screen for colorectal cancer. Answer is it depends on whether you have a family history of polyps or colorectal cancers. So if you have this risk, discuss with your doctor and then decide the timing for a screening colonoscopy. Otherwise, starting at 50, every 5 years, you need a colonoscopy for screening for colorectal cancers. Does a colonoscopy require an overnight stay in hospital? Answer is never. A colonoscopy typically is a 10 to 15 minute procedure done under anesthesia, absolutely painless procedure. You do not need admission in a hospital. It can be done on a daycare basis. What is the incidence of colorectal cancer in India? Answer is colorectal cancer is second most common cancer affecting male and female. The only way to prevent colorectal cancer is to be aware of it and get a screening colonoscopy. What are other tests to screen for colorectal cancer? The answer is screening colonoscopy is one of them. Second is a CT colonography. But the most important test after a screening colonoscopy would be a stool occult blood test, which you can repeat every year. A screening colonoscopy can be done every 5 years for individuals starting at the age of 50 years. But if you have polyps or a family history of colorectal cancer, your screening colonoscopy can be done at the intervals of 3 to 5 years after discussion with your doctor. Is colorectal cancer preventable? The answer is yes. By screening colonoscopy, you can pick up early polyps which can be removed at the same time, sent for biopsy, and screening is the only way to prevent colorectal cancer. Remember, you may need an earlier screening colonoscopy if you have a family history of colon cancer, a family history of polyps in a near relative or a first degree relative, or if your fecal stool test is positive, that is the stool occult blood test.